So I'm getting out of prison, with my boho stretched out and all. But yeah, they take me out. Swifty Blue comes to pick me up, and then after that we make out with each other in the car, And then Swifty Blue put his dedos in my culo, and I actually had a dildo stuck in my culo from in prison when Big Bro Chiron would play with my asshole, and then Swifty Blue had to dig his hand in my booty hole, to try to take it out, and he put his whole hand in my booty hole. And he took it out. He managed to take it out, but, it was a dirty situation,